Welcome. If you've ever changed your Instagram username and wanted to look back at your old handles or just keep track of your profile's history, you're in the right place. Today we're walking you through exactly how to see your username change history on Instagram, using the latest steps that actually work. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. You'll see your posts, bio, and all that good stuff. Now, at the top right of your profile, you'll spot the three-line menu. Tap it, and a menu slides out with a bunch of options. Scroll down and look for the option called Your Activity. Tap on it. This section is packed with all sorts of insights about your Instagram usage, but what we want is related to your account's history. So, inside Your Activity, you'll see an option labeled Account History. Go ahead and tap that. Once you're in Account History, you'll notice that Instagram lets you filter your changes. To focus only on your username updates, tap the Filter by Updated Type option. A list will pop up, and from there, you simply select Username. This narrows down the history to show only your past usernames and the exact times you made those changes. After you've picked Username, tap Apply. Instagram will refresh the screen, and now you'll see a neat list of all your previous usernames in chronological order. Each entry tells you when you changed it, so you can easily track your profile's evolution. This is super handy if you're curious about your old handles, or if you ever need to confirm a change for security or personal reasons, and that's really all there is to it. In just a few taps, you can uncover your Instagram username history and see exactly how your profile has changed over time. Whether you're reminiscing, double-checking your privacy, or just being thorough, these steps make it easy to stay informed about your account's journey. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see more walkthroughs like this.